So here is the CRA website for you to create a CRA sign-in account. If you're looking to register because you want to have the added benefits of receiving mail online where you can get your notice of assessment or notice of reassessment online, you can see your TFSA-RRSP contribution limit, and you can make amendments online, then this is the video that'll explain to you how you do that. Okay, so on the web page you can see if you already have a login account, you would just sign in with either of these three methods, either your CRA login, your sign-in partner, or your provincial body. But assuming that you don't have that and you're registering for account, you will go here, click on register your account. They'll give you the information as to what you will need and gather. So you'll need some documents. So for example, you'll need your SIN number, you'll need your birth date, you'll also need your latest either notice of assessment or tax return, so you can get a few tax lines that they're going to ask for to verify that it's really you who's creating that. So they give you a few checklist marks here for you to see if you have it before you start. It also times out after a certain amount of time, so you want to make sure that you gather your information before you start registering. Once you register or you have all your information to register, you'll have to figure out which method you want to register with. Either you'll register with a provincial body, either your Alberta or BC service card, or you'll use a sign-in partner. If you have any access to online banking for any of the big banks in Canada, then you can log in through there with that password and get access to your CRA account, or you can create a CRA classic sign-in username and password. Okay, so I would say the most common one is the username and password, and then maybe the sign-on partner, and then I don't know, maybe perhaps some people use the provincial partner login method. But once you figure that out, you'll also need to enroll into multi-factor authentication. That's generally using your cell phone. You'll get a text or phone call from them, and then again you'll need to verify your identity, and they'll tell you exactly how to do that. So let's say you are ready and you know how you're going to do it. They have a quick checklist again, making sure that you have your date of birth, your SIN number, and that there is your most recent or within the last 2 years tax return, so that you can finish your registration. Once you register and you decide you're ready, you'll decide which method you want to use. Okay, so let's say you click on the sign-in partner. Once you click on the sign-in partner, it'll take you into a portal where it has a bunch of different banks. If, for example, you used BMO, here, you can sign in with your BMO account, username and password. You go through there and it'll log you in. If for whatever reason you choose to use your CRA User ID, you click your CRA User ID, and then it will let you create it from there. Right now it's 5:46 a.m. so you're not able to right now create or register an account, but that is essentially, you'll just go through the steps of inputting all your information, your SIN number, some tax line numbers from your previous tax return, and all your personalized information, name, date of birth, all that. But it's not too difficult here. It shouldn't take you too long. It'll be just more about gathering the documents. But once you do that, it should be fairly straightforward. If you like this video, subscribe for more Canadian practical tax guidance. Remember, this is generalized information, not personalized tax advice.